Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. I want to talk to you today about proper website structure, website URL structure. Now, if your eyes just glazed over, don't worry, I'm going to make this really simple. Unfortunately, I have horrible handwriting, so you're just going to have to deal with my handwriting. But this is a big problem that I see with a lot of law firm websites, and a lot of law firm SEO takes this approach, and I want to show you kind of what's wrong with it, and I want to show you what you should look for so that you can correct your SEO company. It's actually really simple, but I just kind of want to give you two examples, one example of what's right and one example of what is wrong. I was actually talking to one of my coaching students yesterday, and I help all my coaching students, I help them with social media, but a lot of times they'll also ask me questions about their SEO and different things like that. So I pulled up his website, and his website had a major issue with the website URLs. Now, what is a URL? I want to show you real quick. A URL is the entire address that you enter into the search box. So if you look right here, let me grab a different color pen here. If you look right here, so website.com, this is called your domain name. So website.com, the root of your website is the domain name. So you've got website.com right here, and you've got website.com right here. So technically we've got two different addresses that could be on the same URL. Now, every time you have a slash like this, so in this example right here, it's website.com/car accidents. This one's website.com/practice areas/personal injury lawyer/car accident attorney CA, right? So basically, every single one of these slashes is considered another folder, right? So basically, you've got the main folder, which is website.com. If you think about it like it's your desktop and you actually got like folders, right? Your main folder that has everything in it is going to be website.com. And then inside of that is going to be a page called car accidents. And that's the way that Google wants to see it. This right here is actually the correct way that you should do it, because Google has said that the more important a page is, the closer it should be to the root. So the closer it should be to this main folder. But a lot of times what I see is URLs like this, and what people are trying to do is they're trying to stuff keywords into the URLs, because the URL is a very important place to have keywords, and you can rank well if you have keywords in your URL. But if you do it wrong, or if you put too many keywords, or if you over-optimize your keywords, you can screw your website up. And the client that I had yesterday, this is what his website looked like. It was website.com/practice-areas/personal injury lawyer/car accident attorney. Car accident attorney CA. Now, he's a car accident attorney. So his car accident page is a very important page for his website. So what it should be is it should be very close to the root domain. It shouldn't be buried inside of a folder, inside of a folder, inside of a folder. It needs to be near the top. And not only that, you've got all this extra information in here that just does not need to be there. So if you look at your website and you go to your website and you see that you've got all of these extra URLs, all this extra stuff that is basically just, if I can't get your URL on one screen, I know I've got pretty crappy handwriting. I apologize for that. But, if I can't get your entire URL on one line, then it's a problem. So, what's ended up happening here, and if you kind of look at this, he's got a couple different keywords in here. He's got personal injury lawyer in this URL string, and a lot of lawyers do this. I shouldn't say a lot of lawyers do this. A lot of SEO companies do this to lawyers. And the problem is that he also has a personal injury lawyer page on his website. So basically what that means is that you're telling Google that now you have two pages that you think are relevant to the keywords personal injury. And what that does is that kind of confuses Google, and what happens is something called keyword cannibalization, where your keywords kind of start canceling each other out, and some weird things start to happen. I'm not going to get too technical in it, but that's basically what ends up happening. So immediately what he needs to do is he needs to get rid of practice areas, because that's completely unnecessary. Get rid of personal injury lawyer, because first of all, he's doing some keyword cannibalization, and also he's just adding unnecessary link to the practice areas. And car accident attorney, a lot of times I'm more of a fan of not including the word attorney in the URL. I'll put it in the page title and in the H1 header and keep it out of attorney. And then CA, you're just keyword stuffing at that point. So this right here is the wrong way to do it. If you have a website that has all these really long URLs and everything, then what you need to do is you need to start looking at the possibility if it makes sense to switch to something like this, because this right here, website.com/car accidents, is what Google is saying they want to see. They want shorter URLs, and they say that the closer this page is to here, the more important they think it is. So just by putting it inside of a folder, you're telling Google that this page is not very important. And based on his website rankings and the organic traffic on his website and everything that I was able to see, Google doesn't think this page is very important, and I think a big part of it is because of this URL. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll help you out. If you want me to take a look at your website, just leave your website in there. I'll take a look at it, see if your URLs are screwed up. If you want to learn exactly how to optimize your website and how to get yourself in the Google Maps, go to heylawyers.com. I got a completely free USB drive I'll send you out. It's got a 24-part video series that shows you how to get your website ranked in the Google Maps in very, very simple terms. It's designed for a lawyer. There's not a lot of techno babble. It's over my shoulder, and it shows exactly how we get our clients in the Google Maps. So again, go to heylawyers.com if you want to grab that USB drive. If you have any questions about your own website, leave them in the comments, and I'll help you out. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.